Pinoy Impact Creators presents Travel Thursdays with our member, Charlie Boy TV.
Yo guys! Medyo mainit na yung panahon ngayon dito sa Qatar. Paki-comment pala below kung yung Qatar ba mas malapit sa araw. Joke. So today is Travel Thursdays and isi-share ko lang yung video ko about summer since tag-init na. Siyempre here in Qatar, of course, bukod sa tumambay ka sa bahay or sa mall, todo mo yung AC and all, there's other ways for you to beat the heat this coming summer. And number one dyan is, of course, going to the beach. Alright? Pero meron ditong beach nearby in Qatar, in West Bay to be specific, West Bay area, na beach na mapupunta mo na napakamura. As in around like 30 reals lang as entrance fee, and you can enjoy their services like yung beanbag, sunbed, and all those amenities. Meron pa mga volleyball court, yung mga activities, beach activities basically that you can do apart from swimming, of course. So pakita ko yung video ko, intro video nung sa YouTube channel ko, Charlie Boy TV, of course, and drop ko na rin yung link so you can watch the full video. So check it out. Right, so that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and rin tong video ko with PIC, of course, Pinoy Impact Creators. Follow nyo na po in our Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, and TikTok, our social medias. And of course, follow my page and YouTube channel, Charlie Boy TV, for more exciting reels and travel videos about Qatar. Alright? Of course, Instagram at Charles_Lagota. Follow nyo na rin po. Mostly reels. Ganyan. Alright, so that's it guys. Happy weekend na. Here in Qatar, usually Fridays and Saturdays ang off for some or for most. Yung di weekend, pwede nyo puntahan yung beach na yun kahit na weekdays. Alright? Saka mas less crowded pagka hindi weekends punta sa beach. Okay, so that's it guys. Bye-bye na. See you next Thursday for more Travel Thursday. Peace. Bye-bye.